Picture a small bakery suddenly going viral on social media. Overnight, order volumes triple, but their manual processes can't keep up. Instead of declining orders, they automate inventory tracking, online ordering, and scheduling. Within weeks, they're delivering hundreds of orders daily, accurately and on time. This lecture will focus on how businesses, big and small, have turned automation into a competitive advantage. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to analyze real-world automation case studies from different industries, extract specific success factors and implementation strategies, apply lessons learned to design automation solutions in your context, the power of real-world success stories. Case Study 1. Amazon's Fulfillment Centers. Amazon has become a global leader largely due to its innovative use of automation. Its fulfillment centers use robotics to streamline inventory management, picking, and packing. Key takeaways: speed and accuracy. Robots locate items faster than humans, minimizing errors. Scalability. Automation enables Amazon to handle peak seasons like Black Friday without hiring thousands of temporary workers. Integration. Systems seamlessly integrate with delivery networks for rapid shipping. Case Study 2. Tesla's automated manufacturing. Tesla revolutionized the automotive industry by automating nearly every aspect of its production line. Robotics handle tasks like welding, painting, and assembly with unparalleled precision. Key takeaways: efficiency. Automation reduces waste and accelerates production. Quality control. Consistency in robotic assembly ensures high-quality vehicles. Flexibility. Tesla continuously updates software to optimize manufacturing processes. Key lessons from successful automation projects. Start small and scale. Gradually, many companies fail by attempting large-scale automation without proper testing. Starting with a pilot project allows you to refine processes before expanding. Invest in training. Employees must understand how to work with automated systems. Ongoing training ensures they can adapt to new tools and workflows. Focus on ROI. Successful projects measure return on investment through metrics like cost savings, time efficiency, and error reduction. Story: the cafe that grew overnight. A neighborhood cafe went viral after an influencer's post. With only a manual order book, they struggled to fulfill new demand. They adopted a POS system that automated order intake, ingredient tracking, and digital payments. This resulted in wait times dropping by 40%, waste reducing by 25%, and customer satisfaction scores doubling. Moral: smart automation can turn chaos into opportunity if targeted at the right pain points. Factors that ensure automation success. Clear goals and objectives. Define what success looks like. Is it reduced costs, faster delivery, or improved customer satisfaction? Collaboration between teams. Automation projects succeed when IT, operations, and leadership work together. Open communication ensures alignment on goals and expectations. Choosing the right tools. Selecting tools that fit your business needs is essential. Whether it's RPA, AI, or ERP systems, the right choice depends on your processes and objectives. Monitoring and optimization. Implementation isn't the end of the journey. Regularly review performance and make adjustments to ensure systems meet evolving needs. Common patterns. Across successful projects, automation targets specific inefficiencies, not general tasks. Projects are led by data-backed decision-making, not assumptions. Change management and employee training are built into the plan. Teams use incremental rollouts and live feedback loops to improve. Automation isn't just for tech giants. It's accessible, adaptable, and scalable. As seen in these real-world and small business examples, the key lies in smart execution. Starting small, collaborating across teams, and never losing sight of the goal. Remember, automation done right amplifies human capability, reduces waste, and fuels innovation. Let these case studies guide your next steps.